So pleasant afternoon, everybody. It's already 5:01 in the afternoon. Today's the Thursday, so we'll be having a grammar class and we will be using our blue book. Again, time check, 5:01 in the afternoon. I have 10 of you today.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Hi, Catherine. Good afternoon. So it's quite early. I hope other kids will be joining us later on. So what we are having today is that we are going to review or talk about the test that I gave you last time. If you can still recall, teacher gave a test, right? And hello.
Yes.
Okay. If you can recall, last time I gave you an exam, but there were some of you who were not around because you were also having tests in your school. Some are having another activities to attend to, but teacher fully understand it. Okay? So I will be sharing my screen now. Kids, if you notice, teacher is not opening her video. I am not opening my video because I noticed that I lagged for a while ago. Mm, I hope you noticed that one. So you have here grammar class. It's the end of month test that I gave last week. Do you have my screen now, Tristan?
Yes.
Okay, so we will be answering the first part, numbers 1 to 10. You're going to choose the correct word that best fits the given definition. Everybody, you read number 1, you read also the choices, then give the correct answer. Again, you read number 1, you read the definition, then you read the choices, then tell me the correct answer. I would like, please do not be afraid, okay? Please do not be afraid in reading and in answering also. Teacher will not be teacher will not be angry. Okay? So just feel free to read and feel happy when you read and answer. Okay? Let's start with Tristan for number 1 and number 2. Tristan,
Yes, miss.
can I start with you for numbers 1 and 2?
Okay. Choose the correct word that best fits the given definition. 1. To agree, accept, and accept. The answer is accept.
Okay, correct. To agree means to accept. Number 2, Tristan.
Number 2. To perform addition, add, and add. It's add with 2D.
Okay. So to perform addition, that is add. ADD. So you have it here in the given definition. You already have the hint. Addition. It's one of the basic fundamental operations that we should know. I hope you know about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So to perform add, you mean that's add. Okay. Okay, thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome.
So let's move now to question number 3 and number 4. 3 and number 4. Catherine, are you ready? 3 and 4.
Yes, teacher. 3. Assistant are people who help. H and H.
Good morning, good evening in Indonesian
The
time.
answer is
Remain.
the answer is H.
Okay, the answer is AIDS. AIDS. Okay, if we talk about the person, that is the spelling. Well, the other one, AIDS, it is a verb, meaning it's the action of helping or giving assistance. Okay. Okay, number 4 now. Mark, your camera is, maybe you can turn it side. You're twisted.
Good evening, teacher. Sorry, What happened? What happened to my camera? Okay, whatever.
Oh,
Number 4, a small island.
no. No, Mark. It's still Catherine's turn, Mark.
Oh,
I was calling you because I would like you to, how do I say that one? Maybe the
It's
location of your
rotated.
camera,
It's rotate. It's been
yeah.
rotated. It has been 118 degrees.
Yes, 180 degrees has been,
A half on it.
yes, a half
Okay,
full.
never mind, Mark. Never mind, Mark. It's okay. Catherine, let's continue to number 4.
Fourth, a small island. Isle. The answer is the first isle.
Okay, it's the first one. Okay, a small island, it's isle. Good. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, and are you ready for number 5 and number 6?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, try to read and answer.
Say out loud. Spoken. Aloud. Aloud. The answer is aloud, the first.
Okay, how do we read the second word and the
Aloud.
okay, still allowed. So the answer is the first one. Okay, number 6 now.
To change or modify. Alter. Altar. The answer is the first. Altar.
Number 6 is to change or to modify. The answer in the is
The first, teacher. Altar.
okay. Okay, it's to alter. Good. Thank you.
You're welcome, teacher.
7 and 8 now. 7 and 8. How about, oh, Daraka, you're joining the class. Are you fine now? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, miss. Yesterday I have an asthma, but now I'm okay.
You're okay now. Okay, glad to hear that one. Can you read and answer 7 and 8?
Sure. 7. To have mixed feelings. Ambivalent.
Yeah, you're correct. Okay, having mixed feelings, it is ambivalent. Good. Number 8, Daraka.
8. The sister of a parent. Aunt with letter U.
With letter U, the second one. Okay, good. Because when you say ant, this is an animal or a small insect. Okay, good. Thank you, Daraka.
Welcome, miss.
Okay, Mark, can I have you now for 9 and 10? Mark?
Okay. Let's see. Number 9 means all are ready. Let's choose.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Oh, wow, I see the answer.
Yeah, you've seen it. I've clicked it.
I was supposed to say the first one.
Okay. Means all already. You're going to use all ready. How about number 10, Mark?
Number 10, one who inherits something. This one's a little hard. Let's choose hair.
Yes?
Yep, it's hair. The answer is
Yes, it's
hair.
okay, it's the second one. Who inherits something? So you call it as hair. Okay, good. So that is number 1. Thank you, Mark. So that's 1 to 10.
Not to confuse with hair. It's hair.
Hair. Oh, that's different. Okay, so that's 1 to 10. Let's move now to section 2, which, by the way, Mark, I haven't seen you for long. What happened? Were you busy in school?
Maybe I just forgot. Probably.
Forgot about our classes?
Yes.
Okay.
I thought because I thought today has no class, only at 7 o'clock. No, I was wrong. There's 5 o'clock, Mr. Main.
Oh, so you were thinking that there's no class under Mr. Main.
I thought that.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, let's move now to section 2. So I have here sentences. So then what you're going to do is to choose the word that best fits or that will make the sentence correct. Okay, that's 11 until 20. Can I have Nayaka, number 11, Nayaka?
Hey, miss. We need blah 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 to breathe
Breathe.
and breathe. The answer is the first one, air.
Okay, air. Okay, read the sentence, Nayaka, with the correct word.
We need air to breathe.
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 Okay, teacher will be putting also the correct word in here. Thank you. Number
You're
12
welcome.
now, 12 now, Arga.
Yes, miss. The bride and her father walk down the aisle. The first one.
Uh, okay, your answer is correct that we are going to use the first word. But how are we supposed to read it, Arga? The second word is read as aisle. So it is also read as aisle. Come again, Arga.
Aisles.
Aisle.
Aisle.
Without S. There's no S at the last part. Aisle. Aisle.
Aisle.
Oh, read now the sentence with the correct word.
The bride and her father walk down the aisle.
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome, miss.
Can I go to Leticia for number 13? Leticia, hello.
Yes, teacher.
Can I ask you to read and answer number 13, Leticia? Blank.
I'll be glad to go, says Mark.
Yes, the correct answer. Which one?
The first one is
The first one?
Yes.
Yes. The correct answer is the first one. Okay. So I'll be having it here. I want you to read it again, Letitia.
I'll be glad to go, said Mark.
Good. Thank you. That's my first time. Okay, not really my first time to hear your voice, but I am glad that you opened your microphone, then you were able to answer today. Very good, Letitia. Okay. Next to Letitia, number 14. Shitya, 14.
When is invited in my birthday party? All or all? The answer is all.
Which one?
All.
The first or
The second one.
second? Yes,
Second.
very good. It's the second one. Um, Shitya, how do we read this word? Invited.
Invited. Invited.
Come again, invited.
Invited.
Read now the sentence.
All is invited in my birthday party.
Very good. Thank you, Shitya.
You're welcome.
Number 15, I'll go back to Catherine. Number 15, Catherine.
Yes, teacher.
I'll go back with you. 15.
15. Indah has blank of rings.
Yes.
Dance a lot, a lot. The answer is the second a lot.
Yes, it's the second one. Read now, Catherine.
Indah has a lot of rings.
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome, teacher.
Number 6. Okay, number 16. Can I go now to... Wow, Nicholas and Noel are here. Orlando, number 16, Orlando.
Here.
Yes, number 16. Orlando, number 16.
Okay. Please stand a lot on our exercise.
Yes. Tristan, blank an hour for exercise. Should we use a lot or a lot? Orlando.
A lot.
A lot, this one. The second one.
A lot.
Mm-hmm.
A lot.
Okay. The correct answer is a lot, or to give time. And why are we using, okay, thank you, Orlando. Kids, why are we using the verb with an S form? This is singular or plural? A lot? Is that singular or plural, kids? Hello? Hello?
Plural.
Hello? Can you still hear teacher?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Teacher is asking, look at the highlighted word. You have there a lot.
Yes.
Tristan, a lot. An hour for exercise. I was asking, is that a singular one or a plural verb?
Plural. Plural.
Plural?
Singular.
Singular.
Oh.
Mhm.
It has S at the it has S at the last word. It's S. So it means singular.
Aside from that one, not all, everybody, not all with S are singular. Why is it a singular verb? It's because the subject is Tristan, and Tristan is only one. Do you forget? Oh, do you forget about our lesson on grammar on subject-verb agreement?
Oh, yeah, I forgot it.
You forget
Kind
about
forgot.
it. Hey, don't you worry as long as, if you keep on studying, we will be keep on refreshing our lessons. Kids, Tristan is a singular noun or singular subject, right? Alats is also singular in form. But if I say here, Tristan and Alfonso, okay. If I say Tristan and, and Alfonso, it is now a plural subject.
Lot.
Okay, it is now a plural subject. That's why our verb should be a lot. Okay, teacher, why should we use a lot? Because our subject here is Tristan and Alfonso. That's plural. So our verb here should also be plural in form. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Catherine. Thank you, Catherine. It's only Catherine who answered me. Kids, do you understand it?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
Yes.
okay, hopefully, teacher is hoping for that one. Okay, so Tristan, Alfonso, a lot, plural. Okay, let's move now to number 17. Okay, number 17. Alfonso, do number 17.
Okay. Fishing is not banned in our area. Allowed, allowed. The answer is the second allowed.
Okay. Read again, Alfonso.
Fishing is not allowed in our area.
Very good. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Number 18 now, Nicholas, 18.
18, right?
Yes. Oh, teacher misses you. How are you, Nicholas?
I'm fine.
I wasn't able to, what do you call that? You were not around in my class several times already. You busy? Were you busy in school?
My bird said there was no Zoom, although there is. I don't know why he said that.
Oh, but you know what? Teacher was, I have been, I have been teaching again. Then I just noticed, same with Noel, you were not attending some of my classes. So, but anyway, it's okay. I'm happy that I have you again in my class. Okay, Nicholas, do number 18, please.
Okay. She has 15 kids blank. The
Mm-hmm.
answer is the first altogether.
She has 15 kids all together, the first one.
Wait, no, the second one.
It should be the second one because it is giving us or telling us entirely having 15 kids all together. Okay, read the sentence, Nicholas.
She has 15 kids altogether.
Okay, I want you to do number 19, Nicholas.
Let us read the story blank. The answer is the
Yes,
first aloud.
it's the first one. Okay, I also want you to do number 20.
My friends gathered blank in my house.
Okay,
The second one. The second one.
This is the second one. Yes.
Halo? Kenapa tidak ada orang? Maksudku kenapa tidak ada guru?
You lost connection.
Habis
kali.
Atau
Baterai habis, masalah utama.
Koneksi
Waduh.
menghilang.
Ya, Mr. May.
That's okay, guys. That's okay. That's okay. Just wait.
No.
Wait.
I don't want to wait.
Please.
Wait.
Turn off that recording. Please turn off that recording. I am,
Steve.
please click to
Oh.
pause that recording. Pause the recording.
I am.
Pause.
Yeah, please stop the recording, bro.
The recording.
When you have been a host, I mean, a host.
Recording. Now.
Recording stop.
Recording and stop.
Stop.
I think it stopped.
No, it's still there.
But
The word
there's the sound.
recording.
The sound said recording stop.
Yeah, it's recording stop. No.
It's recording stop. Oh wait, bro.
Okay,
How
guys.
can we
Let's
turn
just
this
wait
recording
a
on?
little minute. I think no more minutes.
No.
No one?
No, I don't know.
You don't know how to pause recording? I know how to pause, but I didn't have a host.
The host.
I'm not a host, bro.
Oh, who's the
You
host?
pass to the host, not to me.
Someone else is the host.
the host.
The host is
Is the host.
yeah. Okay, now stop the recording or I'll kill you. Just a
Whoever
minute.
the host is, shut the freaking recording.
Then go to recording bar, then click the two vertical lines. Then what, Mark?
Play it, please.
Then we wait the teacher. Yeah, we wait the teacher.
A few minutes later.
A few minutes later.
A few
Hours later. A few berabad-abad kemudian.
One eternity later. Here.
99.
Plus,
Okay, stop the recording.
stop the recording. Stop or you.
Freaking kill you.
Using
Yeah.
tactic. Bro, just using another tactic.
How dare you?
The tactic is bro using this this hands and a gun and I will yo bro, what the hell? Oh my god.
So much
Bro, just-
emoji. And I
bro,
cannot
just-
at all.
Bro just sending a message that she is very Mewing. I mean very Sigma. Okay now.
Could someone just freakingly just stop the recording?
Please just stop the recording. It's okay.
Or I'll kill you.
The recording is on you. I mean the host is on you.
Sadly, she don't know how to pause the recording in Zoom Workplace.
Yeah.
Why the
Very
teacher
sad.
isn't
So I guess whoever watched this, sorry, but not sorry, because we cannot pause the recording. Sorry, whoever watched this. Because this will
Okay,
be
please.
YouTube, you know.
This is someone. Can someone tell me why the teacher is not here? Because of what?
Connection, obviously. something bad has happened.
Maybe
Yeah,
the
connection.
teacher has bad
I lost
connection.
energy. I mean,
Connection.
wait. I think the electric is off because it's very, very, very long. Yeah, it's very long time that the teacher is not here. Very, very, very super duper long.
Very sigma long.
Bro, what the heck? Bro. Oh, you did what? This summer. Okay.
Bro, can you
No
please stop the
teacher, no
recording?
class. But it needs to still wait. Where is
Maybe no class.
no class? Please. Not like that, bro. Recording. Yo. My head is sick. I have a headache. Yeah, just kidding.
Where the teacher is not here yet.
What?
God, my head hurts.
It's half.
Of you eat
Half,
later.
half past. Bro, did anyone want to say something?
No.
I think our classmates, our friend classmates, our friend or our classmate was playing something. What? Just playing a war. And a chat war. Yeah, you see that in the chat. What the heck? You see that in the chat is very so much war, like a boy war. Bro, what is what?
This is becoming a war.
Chat, the chat.
Gosh, my ears.
Yo, why there is so much notice?
We got Moai. Do you want more
Please.
Moai?
Bro, I want to study. Bro, can we
Yeah, I
study?
want to study, but for some internet and technical difficulties.
Please. I want to make a whiteboard, but with wonder. Do not make us write. Do not make us write, please.
You know what? I'll just join Orlando and make a Moai war.
Please, do not. I want to share a whiteboard, but I'm scared. Okay, thank you.
No!
Thank you.
My computer is glitching.
Please, bro, I didn't want
Guys, my computer.
I didn't want to line something for that is not from the teacher. Please, bro. I'm just saying, bro. We need to study now. Please, study. Study. Study, please. Wait, there is so much notice. Okay, I want to stop, but what the heck? Why there is so many? Okay, there's nothing yet.
You know what?
Okay, I will just close my eyes. Then I see the
The
not.
Moai emoji.
Bro, I want to close my eyes. Okay, done. Oh no.
Creating
Not again.
Moai emoji is like
Please
a
stop
hell.
that. Stop that. Whoever that is chatting.
Do you want more? What emoji do you want for your
Okay,
desk?
okay, please. I just want to rest. Why there is so many notes in this whiteboard?
Okay.
Please, Nayaka, stop
You
the
want
whiteboard.
to draw?
You
You want
just
to draw?
make and a worse one. Please stop the whiteboard.
Wait, okay.
Nayaka has started a whiteboard. Let's make
Finally. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You just saved the world. I mean, save the Zoom.
But what about the recording? It's still going. Like it's
Okay,
like
I want to see the apps from the Zoom, like something, but it's still loading. Okay,
man,
let's see
it
this.
might be loading so bad.
Bro.
It's very bored. So let's
How
make a
even
whiteboard.
there is something named, what the heck, Mark? Mark, you just make the world even worse.
Come on, guys. We're
Bro,
bored.
Mark
Let's
is the
just do-
troublemaker.
Wait, it's recording. That means my whiteboard is getting record. Who is creating these scribbles at the start?
Bro, just please, anyone, stop the recording. Bro, wait, the house, stop recording.
Okay.
Please just stop the
let's make
recording so we are free now. Please.
We're
Okay, I
free
will
from the
give
hell.
18 seconds. I mean, give 50 seconds for stop the recording. Start from now. 50, 49. Okay, just kidding. Please just stop the recording.
Let's.
Or I will
How
get to
to
your
stop
house
recording?
and do something to kill you.
Why Zoom? Okay. Anyways, we're going
Okay,
to.
anybody want to go
volume
to
is off.
her house? No, right?
Fine. If you
So
want
she
the
need to
volume
stop the
above,
recording by
I'm gonna give
herself.
you the answer to this super ugly math question. First,
Please,
we're going
just
to.
follow me. Please, Mark. Mark.
Okay.
Mark.
How? Yes?
Stop the recording. I want to share something. So,
You want to share something?
yeah, share
Wait,
something. Please, bro.
I gotta answer the question, bruh.
What is the volume of ball? Wait. I have a book that
This. I didn't. This.
Okay.
Wait,
What?
this is
Please.
wrong.
All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Volume of the ball is. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. I need to search.
Hey, stop moving. This question even stop moving the question.
Wait, I need to search that one. Where is the answer? Not here. Not there.
I think
it's where is that? That's one. Where is that?
What the freak?
Oh, wait,
like
what? I just get worse.
psych. You want to
Where
say
is
stop it?
this?
Now that's a better
Okay,
one.
the volume of the ball
No.
is. Wait, how did I watch this? I mean, how I read this? It's.
Where are you, Tristan?
I need to write it on the. Yeah.
Tristan, where are you?
I'm here. You see me on the camera, bro. I'm not looking anywhere.
No, at the whiteboard.
I want to say that the volume of a ball is. Please just stop it. Stop it, bro. Stop
Oh,
it.
you're there. Wait. Okay, let me
See this?
go.
The volume of the ball is V equals 4
It's
P.
I can find you.
It's pi, not P.
P
In
equals
English, it's
volume.
P. In English, it's pi.
Volume. And then 3. Wait. Yes.
That's a you
It's
wanna
volume. Yes, a volume.
you want
And
a volume of circle?
please,
This
I
is
want
the
to write.
volume of circle.
Wait.
Yeah, bro. Let me help you. It's this thing. R
Volume.
Wait.
Is equals
You want?
4 Then we open it. Then 3. Please
Wait, what is
stop
it?
erasing the wait, I forget. Why there is so many chats?
Hold on, I cannot control it.
Then
Help!
what is this? Then
Help!
here
Help!
and here. Then we get what? When we get this and we get this and sorry, it's 3. It's 3. Okay, we get this is the volume of a ball. Yeah, this is the volume of a ball.
No, that's not correct. Why is this? Why is that? That doesn't
It's
supposed
volume
to
of a
there.
ball, bro.
It's supposed to be pi. It's supposed to be p or pi times radius,
Actually, that is correct.
and that's it. That's the answer.
Bro, did you just check this book? Okay, sorry.
Check.
This is just twisted. This is AKM.
Yes, AKM is a reading test. I mean a reading, like a reading question.
Yeah, sorry. This is just twisted. Sorry, this is A, K, and M. This is AKM. It says
Someone
Y
say
and
shut up.
Indonesia, bro.
We're not shutting
Not in
up.
English. Yeah, not in English.
Yeah,
Wait,
I know.
why does my camera is just off by itself? Why?
Eraser.
Why
H.
did you erase my pie?
H. How? Okay,
You want me to erase
guys,
it?
we have questions. How do you say a dog with what is this? With 3 legs. What? How you say a dog with 3 legs? What? Marcus, what's that? Is that you, Mark, with the green one?
Yes, I always write with the green one, okay?
How do you say a dog with
A
3
dog with
legs?
3.
This is Dex, right?
Oh wait! I think I see a dog.
Answer.
I think I saw
Please
a
just
video.
show the answer, bro. What? How do you say a dog with 3 legs only? Okay, I will just talk to the AI to see
Angriest dog.
Ah,
dog.
you're cheating.
What?
You're cheating. No more cheating.
It just been greater. Okay, not cheating. Not
Aggressive.
cheating. Aggressive. Wait, what the?
You want me to
What is this? Aggressive, angriest.
Why is there more?
Okay, I need to copy this one because I don't know it. Oh, sorry about. How do you say a dog with on 3 legs only?
Oh, okay.
We will just talk to AI, then we see what is the answer.
No, you're cheating. That's you. This you.
Just kidding,
Hold
boy.
on.
I
If
just
someone's
not.
scribbling, shut up. We're not shutting up. We're
Just
not
kidding,
shut
bro.
up.
I even not opening the AI. I'm not opening.
I think you're open DeepSeek AI.
No, that not. No. I think you just get something in this. Ah, yeah, I just singing different. How do you yeah, how do you say it?
You're adding a text super big. You know what?
Yang mana aku dapat tadi? Yang
You guys should open a mini map so you can see what's truly happening.
Let's go make this even bigger.
Guys, use the mini map so you can see things.
Bro,
People are scribbling things.
bro, I'm just searching in and I see this answer. It's tripod, 3 legs, dog, tripod, handy.
Give the answer, you know.
Bro, I want to say the answer. Please calm down. It's tripod.
No,
Tripod,
that's wrong.
3-legged dog, tripod, 3 handicapped dog, and friendly abled dog. What?
Oh boy.
This is how you say
Let's make
dog
a new
with ugly
question.
views. Okay, we're just zooming out. How you can tell anything because you are the god. Because the dog will never come. Oh, I think the dog just coming.
Yeah.
Yo, what is this? I just will. This is 1, 2, 3, and yeah. Whoa. I just used my superpower too.
Everything is erased. Wow. Hi guys.
Please following me. Following me.
Yeah, wait.
Wait.
Where are you? I'm here. I'm here. SOS.
All eyes on me, please.
Where are you?
H. Please.
The
Mark.
big one.
Mark, stop. Stop the
Where?
whiteboard. Please.
Oh, where are you? Where are you? I cannot even see you.
You see the
Isn't
screen. Just
what is this?
on
Swadan?
screen. And the screen
When?
something.
Wait.
It's glitching. Just glitching, bro. Glitching to the nowhere. The land of nowhere. Far lands. Guys, did you know Minecraft?
Yeah.
You play.
Yeah. I have a good news. We have a new mob.
What?
His name a mushroom. Mushroom. I think it's a
Oh.
cow with yellow. I think.
Old one, but the name is Creaking.
Huh? What's that?
The mob has a leg, a head like the head is here, not in the center, but it's right side. It's in the right side, not in the center, not in the center. The head is here, and the shoulders is here. And when we see that mobs, the mob is freezing. Just freezing. Yeah, freezing.
I'm drawing something.
Did
Please
you
continue.
handsome?
Guess the mob.
Okay.
Guess the mob.
Mob. The ciri-ciri mobnya.
Let me.
Okay. What is a mob? Sebutkan ciri-cirinya saja sih. Ciri-cirinya saja kayak gimana?
What is this, guys? Guys, I think we had a new.
Tunggu.
Yes, what?
Tidak ada yang datang. Kenapa tidak ada yang datang? Tidak ada guru yang datang. Jadi, klik semua aja dan oh ya. Mob apa yang punya kepala yang miring? Maksudku, mob apa yang punya sayap?
Ayam.
Salah.
Lah, kan ayam punya sayap untuk balas.
Nah, ayam memang punya sayap, tapi jawabannya bukan itu.
Burung.
Tapi di Minecraft tidak ada burung.
Ada. Parrot. Burung beo, kakak tua.
Oh, iya, aku lupa tentang parrot. Tapi tolong jawabannya bukan parrot.
Apa itu? Itu yang malam itu.
Ya, yang di malam itu.
50.
Dan itu adalah phantom. Makhluk yang siaran dan berterbangan setelah kita tidak tidur 3 hari.
Oh gitu kita harus tidur. Hah?
Hewan apa yang punya 4 kaki?
Gak tahu. Hewannya apa?
Enggak, di Minecraft.
4 kaki.
Ya, pokoknya dia ada warna putihnya deh. Putih, ada warna putih.
Coba.
Loh,
Itu ayam.
salah. Ku bilang 4 kaki, bukan ayam.
Oh,
Chef. Domba.
Salah.
sapi.
Sapi, salah.
Nah, kenapa dah?
Salah.
Loh. Emang
Hello, so sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
No,
it
you
took
know,
super
how long was
long.
that? Was it 20 minutes?
How long of it? Very
Mm.
super duper
maybe-
long.
Maybe
It's super,
30 minutes.
yeah,
30
it's
minutes.
super long because there was a power interruption and it is not,
Nah,
it's not
yeah, my answer
automatically.
is right. The power electric is
The power
Yeah.
electric, that thing.
yeah, my
just-
answer is already true.
I
It
thought
has
your
just
battery
been,
went out.
okay, it has just been restored. I was not about to go back, but I think some of you were still waiting for me. So shall we still continue before we
Okay.
end?
As fast as
Yeah.
possible.
We can continue.
We can
Okay,
continue
so
as
sorry
fast
for
as
that
possible.
one.
That's okay.
Miss,
Okay, for number, yes, Nicolas.
my brother left this Zoom because it was too long waiting.
It's okay. That's okay. I understand that one. I understand, Nicolas. Okay, we will continue. Number 20. Okay. A while ago, I think we have 17 of you, but we only have 14. It's okay. Number 20, Alfonso. Please read Alfonso. Okay. You cannot hear me. Okay, if not Alfonso, Tristan,
Alfonso
number
not there. We can see the camera.
Tris-
There is not Alfonso. There is no Alfonso there.
I can see Alfonso a while ago, Tristan. Maybe you
Oh,
want to answer number 20?
Okay. My friends gathered blank in my house. The answer, all together and all together.
Okay, so
My answer is all together, number two, the bottom one.
is my screen moving, Tristan?
Yeah, it's moving.
Why is it? Okay, for a while.
Moving by itself.
How about this time? I am scrolling it. Can you see it?
Yeah,
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, and I see the answer is correct.
Okay, your answer is correct. We are going to use
All together. All space together.
Do you have a class after me, Tristan?
When in 8 p.m. I don't have, but at 7
At
p.m.
6 p.m. there's
have.
actually no class, but in 7 p.m. we have.
Yes,
Okay.
from 6 p.m. until 7 p.m. we didn't have a class.
We teach it all
Okay,
free
thank
at 7 o'clock.
you. Okay, let's move now to number 21. Okay, number 21. Can I have Jennifer 21? Okay, if not Jennifer, because we're running out of time, can I have Honey for 21? Honey?
Yes, teacher. The priest
Number
the
21, Honey.
was standing beside the altar. Altar.
The first one.
I think yes.
Okay, yes. It's the correct answer. Can you read it, Honey?
The priest was standing beside the altar.
Okay, good. I want you to do number 22 also, honey.
I need to blank the meeting time because of completion schedules. Alter.
Okay. We are going to use the second word, which is alter. Okay, alter meaning to change or to modify. So the sentence, I need to alter. So I need to change the meeting time because of conflicting schedules. Thank you, honey. 23 now. Is Inda still around, Inda? Okay. Noel, 23, Noel.
23. The people were blank torn between the candidates.
Okay,
The
meaning
people were
the people were, the answer is,
ambivalent.
okay, the people were ambivalent. Okay, what do we mean by ambivalent again? Its pair is ambiguous, right? Okay, ambivalent means to have mixed feelings. Okay, candidates for election. Probably you're happy that he or she is running for that position. Perhaps you are not sure for that candidate. So meaning you have mixed emotions for that certain person. So the correct answer is ambivalent. Okay, Noel, still do number 24.
24. Our small house is hidden blank the trees. It's among.
Okay, why are we going to use among?
Because there are a lot of trees.
A lot of trees. How about 25, Noel?
It's among.
Okay, no, Noel, number 25 also.
Oh, which blank the the desserts displayed is your favorite? The answer is between.
Mm-hmm. Do we have two choices in here? Do we have two choices in here, Noel? Desserts. When we talk about desserts, something sweet, we're going to eat it after the course of the meal. Which blank the desserts displayed is your favorite?
Oh, it's among. It's among.
Yes. Still, we are going to use among because why do you say so? Why do you think our answer should still be among, Noel? Based on the sentence. What's our clue in there? It's because of the word
Desserts.
desserts, meaning there are many. Okay, there are many desserts presented or there are many desserts being displayed on the table. So which among is your favorite? So that is what we mean on number 25. Okay, thank you, Noel. Number 26 now. 26. I'll move now to Mark again. Mark.
Yes,
Oh,
Miss.
can we extend for a while if it's okay with everybody?
Yes,
Hmm.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If it's not okay with you, you can leave the meet. But if it's okay, you stay with me maybe for 5 to 10 minutes. We will first finish this, okay?
It's okay because of
Okay.
the
You
electricity.
don't.
Because the power is off,
electricity.
then that's okay.
Yes. Yes,
Not a
Mark.
good
Number
electricity.
26 now, Mark. 26,
Okay.
Mark.
Catherine said blank. Shitya and honey. We're going to do among us. So choose among. Because
Catherine sat
Shitya,
among Shitya and Honey.
because uh
How many choices were given in the sentence, Mark?
among and we got Shitya and Honey. We got two.
Yes, only
So
two.
among. So let's choose among.
If there are two, are we going to use among, Mark?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Huh? What?
We are
Yes.
going to use...
Between.
Between.
Yes.
But
It's
we got
between,
two.
not among.
Okay. Okay. For Mark and everybody, Catherine sat between Shitya and Honey. The answer is between because we only... excuse me. There are only two given names or two given positions. Shitya sitting down, so Catherine is in between Shitya and Honey. Mark, we are going to use the word among. If we say Catherine sat among the girls. We are going to use among if it's plural. Okay. If it's three or more, oh girls, that's plural. So Catherine sat among the girls. Okay, Mark? Okay, kids?
Okay.
Okay, that's for 26. Let's move to 27. Okay. 27. I haven't hear from Jennifer. You're still with us, Jennifer?
A blank of books were distributed the to the kids. The
Yes.
answer and is a number.
Yeah, very good. A number of books. Okay. I want you to read it again. I want you to read it again, Jennifer. Jennifer, please read it again.
What, miss?
I want you to read it again. Okay. So teacher will be reading it. A number of books were distributed to the kids. Okay. We are going to use a number. Okay, because you have here books and that can be counted. So okay, a number of books were distributed. You're going to use number for things that can be counted. Okay, if you cannot count it, that's the time you use amount. Okay, take note. Number 28. Okay, thank you, Jennifer. For number 28, can I go back to Leticia? Do you want to read again, Leticia? Leticia? Hello, do you want to read again, Leticia?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, number 28, Leticia. Okay,
My
try
blah
to
blah
read.
blah like to croquet hats for us.
Crochet, this is crochet.
Likes to crochet hats for us.
Yes.
The answer is aunt, the first one.
Wow, very good, Leticia. The correct answer is the first one. Aunt, referring to the sister of your parent. The second one, it's an animal. Okay, good. Thank you, Leticia. 29 now. 29. Okay, we still have three more. 29, can I go back to Daraka? Are you still here, Daraka?
Yes, teacher.
29, please.
29. 29. The thief managed to elude the police officers. Is it with the A?
Should we say allude? Allude the police officers?
Yeah, with A and double L.
Okay. When Daraka, when we say allude, ALLUDE, that means to refer indirectly. To refer indirectly. Kids, Look at the sentence, the thief. What do we mean by thief? It's a person who?
Steal
Who
some.
the one who steal our products. I mean,
Okay, the one who steal or get things that
yeah, I
doesn't
mean the
belong
thing.
to him or her. Okay. The thief managed to, the correct answer is to elude, meaning to escape. Ah. The thief was able to manage to run away, to move away from the police officers. Okay, so the correct answer is elude. The thief managed to
Elude.
elude the police officers. Elude, that is to refer indirectly, the first one, while here that is to escape or to move or run away. Mhm. Okay, 30 now. Thank you. 30, Dara. Read and answer number 30, Daraka.
Alfonso gave me some great advice about life.
Daraka, hello.
Hello, miss?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, miss?
Okay. Yes, Daraka number 30, please. Still you.
Okay. Alfonso gave me some great advice about life. Advice with C.
Yes, it is advice with letter C. Very good. Okay, good. Thank you, Daraka.
Okay, miss.
Okay, number 31. 31. Can I go back now to Mark for 31?
Yes, miss. Sundara saw a new blank on the television about bicycle. We're going to
Yes.
choose number 2.
Yes, it's
Advertisement. The most annoying thing we ever see when watching a television.
television.
Yeah. That's right, Mark. The annoying video when we're watching YouTube.
Yes,
Okay,
imagine
and
doing
you know
that.
what? Ad or advertisement are not only seen on televisions, right? They can also
Yes.
be heard on radios,
Can
anywhere,
road,
even
the road.
on,
They can
okay,
sometimes
anywhere we
annoy
can
me.
see
And the
any
road.
form of advertisement.
They
Okay?
can sometimes annoy me.
Yeah.
Miss,
Like
miss,
an ad, like
miss.
what? Something. There's something talking.
Okay. So this time, before we will be ending our session this afternoon, I'll go first with Alfonso to read the sentences.
Okay.
Just the sentences. For a while, Alfonso.
Okay.
And ad. The most annoying video when we are watching.
Okay. Okay. Go, Alfonso.
Okay.
Start with 21.
Okay. The priest was standing beside the altar.
Okay.
I need
Okay.
I need to alter the meeting time because of the conflicting schedules. The people were ambivalent, torn between the candidates. Our small house is hiding among the trees.
Hidden.
Hidden. Which among the deserts displayed is your favorite? Catherine sat among the girls. A number of books were distributed to the kids.
Again. How do you read?
Distributed.
Again.
Distributed.
Okay. Distributed.
Distributed.
Okay. Read the sentence.
A number of books were distributed to the kids. My aunt likes to crochet hats for us.
Crochet. Crochet.
Crochet hats for us. The thief managed to elude the police officer. Alfonso gave me some great advice about life. Sundara saw a new ad on television about bicycles.
Good. Thank you, Alfonso, for reading.
You're welcome.
I will also be asking Nicholas to read. Nicholas, 21 to 25 only. Nicholas, 21 to 25. Start reading now, 21.
The priest was standing beside the altar. I need to alter the meeting time because of conflicting schedules. The people were ambivalent, torn between the candidates. Our small house is hidden among the trees. Which among the desserts is displayed is your favorite?
Again.
Which among the desserts displayed is your favorite?
Good. Thank you, Nicholas.
Welcome, Miss.
Catherine, 26 down to the last sentence, please.
Okay, teacher. Catherine sat among the girls. A number of books were distributed to the kids. My aunt likes to crochet hats for us.
Crochet. Likes to crochet.
My aunt likes to crochet hats for us. The thief managed to alert the police officers. Alfonso gave me some great advice about life. Sandra saw a new ad on television about bicycles.
Okay, thank you, Catherine. Thank you also, Nicholas, for reading. Okay. So it's already 6:13. Okay, we have extended for 13 minutes. Sorry for the interruption a while ago. See you next meeting, okay? I'll see you next meeting. Thank you, kids, for being with me. Thank you.
Goodbye. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Alfonso. Catherine, thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Jennifer. Thank you, kids. Bye, Mark. Tristan, thank you. Orlando, thank you. Daraka, thank you. Nayaka. Latasha.